Creative Productions. Ding! Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new slime collection. So basically, when I say new, I made this huge slime, and basically it was like a smoothie of all my slimes, which I really do regret right now because they were some of my favourite slimes. But since then I've started a new collection, so I thought it'd be a cool idea to show you my slimes. I'm doing it on here so you can poke it without getting, because I'm in the process of ordering a tripod. So I keep my slime in this bag for now because I'm just waiting for a new place to be. So let's do a lucky dip. So this is my first slime. It's in a really large container, but I really don't care right now because I actually like this container. So the slime is small, it's got glitter in it, and it's still got poke marks in it from when I played with it just before the video. So actually I didn't make this. Beth made it, the other person I share the channel with, and it was so thick. But then it kept melting, so I added tissue and a bit of snow, whatever. But yes. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna play with the slime for a bit. Okay, so let's get straight onto the next video. Well, not video, but slime, I meant. So, the next slime is this one. This one's slightly bigger and it is in the same container, different. So I named this one Watermelon Crunch. So it's a watermelon-y colour with beads that are white, yellow and orange. I don't know why I added those colours, but never mind. So it's a really nice watermelon-y colour. Personally, I would say, considering I did it off memory, watermelon colour look like, I think I did it quite good. It's kind of a jiggly because watermelon's quite like a wet fruit, so it's stretchy and it makes bubbles and it's crunchy. And yeah, so now I'm going to shut up so I can play with it. It's got big beads, small beads and a few sequins. So let's move straight on to the next slime. So once again, something stuck to it. So again, it's the same pot as the three. Also, this one's Watermelon Crunch, this one's Black Cherry, and this one doesn't have a name. So if you have a name for this slime, comment it down below. So we're going to play with Black Cherry. So it's not like black cherry, but it's a really dark cherry colour, if you know what I mean. So it is like a buttery slime, but it's got it's not really thick and it's not really thin. It is stretchy and it is very pokeable, stretchable, spreadable. It's a bit of everything. It's a really weird texture, if you know what I mean, because it used to be a butter slime, but then water exploded in my slime boxy thing that I keep my bag in. So this I left out of the tub because I was going to try and make it into an iceberg, but then loads of water fell into my slime, so unfortunately it did turn like this, but actually I really like it, and it has got glitters in it, and this is one of my favourite slimes. So this is black cherry, and it's got a few flame beads in it just to add a bit of texture and glitter. So let's get straight on to the next one. So this is also one that Beth was going to throw away, but I said I'd take it because I actually quite like this one. It's a bit weird consistency. It's got little like paper triangles, like holographic paper or ribbon, whatever. And this has got glitter in it, like a pinky glitter to go with the nice pink base. And this does melt really easily, but it is really nice. It's so spreadable, it's stretchy, it is pokey, it is like everything you want a slime to be. So now I'm going to shut it up so you can play with it. Yeah, so also I forgot to do a like quiet version of me playing with this, so I'm just going to do this really quick, my black cherry one. So sorry about that guys, I really forgot. So I just played with this one and I really like this one. So my next, and I think this, no, right, and so this used to be Beth's part of slime smoothie, and it was green, but I kind of changed it into like a purpley, really nice, cloudy kind of slime. So I'm just going to be quiet and play with this one for a bit. It does rip, but that's my fault. It doesn't quite feel like a cloud slime, but I really like the consistency and the texture. And this is a 2-ounce slime in my little 2-ounce containers. So I think I have one more slime. So this is also one of Beth's slimes. She has this glue that doesn't really activate properly, but it does really make really nice slime. I'm gonna wait 2 seconds. I have a board to play with this one on because it literally like is really melted, but I don't have any borax, but I can deal with that. But yeah, it is like really nice when it is activated. But yeah, I had to show you this one because it is really nice. So this I'm just going to put back in the container. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you've seen my last video, my sit down and chat video, so we're going to start posting every day. And so on Mondays I'm going to post like musically related things, so it's going to be Musically Monday. Tuesday it's just going to be anything, and same with Wednesday. But Mondays I'm going to try and post musically related videos on Mondays, because I feel like I should do something about that, because there is quite a lot of people who are on Musical.ly. But yeah, so it's going to be Musical.ly Monday, and then my other days that I post are going to be anything. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye!